Pwede. Walking. With my... Good morning. How was everybody? Happy Victoria Day. Sa tanan na taga Canada, family, friends, relatives. Happy Victoria Day. May God bless us all abundantly. And enjoy the day, enjoy the weather, and naami diri sa kuan Kalabugi. We spend our long weekend here. Nice kay diri kay mura kag nasa Bukidnon. Nice kay diri nga lugar. Na siya mga nadakan siya mga boat. Ana mao ni siya. Yeah. Nice kayo. Nya tanawa. Ang anak ka peaceful lang dalan diri. And the mountain, mga kakahuyan. So this is what we love. So happy Victoria Day, everyone. I just would like to grab this opportunity. Thank you so much to all my followers, likers, sharers, to my page, my business page, my personal, to my family, relatives and friends, and to my business partners. Thank you so much. You mean so much to me sa tanan na inyong gihimo. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you so much for everything. And yeah, thank you to our living God for giving us the opportunity to live the life of our dreams. Thank you. And yeah, say hi, Daddy. Yeah, so we are here. Place, yeah, we are here. We are entering into our that one. We are here. So yeah. So nice to be here, like, you know, breathtaking, fresh air. Yeah, so I'm at a beach over there. Yeah, beach. Thank you. Okay, God bless everyone. Have a blessed, great, happy, wonderful Victoria Day to each and everyone. Bye. God bless.